yellow thinking I would bring some sunshine.
That's about the extent of the sunshine we're seeing.
And
so
that's
far
all
this
you're
morning.
going to get.
Good idea. Suze with the yellow tie. Our intern even has a yellow tie on, so we're all trying here.
I'm just by myself, I guess. Sorry, guys.
Well, you obviously won because the clouds are prevailing overhead. Let's take a look at what's happening out there. We're just going to blame you. Welcome to my world. We do have a few showers being squeezed out of those clouds, mainly for the northern coastal plain, but a little cluster of showers has popped back up right over Wake County. Some of the same spots that saw the heaviest rain Friday night. Fortunately, we're not seeing any flooding problems with these showers. Very light activity, just enough to make you try to fiddle around to find the right intermittent setting with the windshield wipers. All this is moving to the northeast. Our rain chances are going to be very spotty this morning, about 20 to 30% hour by hour. The better chance of more widespread showers and thunderstorms with another threat of some locally heavy rain is going to develop by this afternoon and into this evening. Let's switch over to the future radar and show you how things are going to play out. There are spotty showers this morning, plenty of green on the map, but it's not going to be very intense at all. The cloud cover starts to break up a little bit by noon into early afternoon. Temperatures quickly warm up to the mid-80s. That gets the atmosphere recharged for more storms by mid to late afternoon and especially into early evening. There will be gaps in between. It's not going to be a guarantee of rain for any particular spot, just scattered activity with some locally heavy rainfall rates. The very slow movement of these storms can produce a lot of rain in a short amount of time. The storms start to quiet down after the sun goes down, but it takes until after midnight for the showers to completely fizzle out. We'll see lower storm chances on the way for tomorrow. The problem this morning as you're heading out the door is some locally dense fog if you don't have any of those showers in your neighborhood, especially southwest of the Triangle. Half-mile visibility being reported right now for Siler City. You were at a quarter mile, so that's a little bit better, kind of in the process of that fog sitting right at ground level, lifting a little bit and just becoming low cloud cover. Half-mile visibility around Fayetteville could also slow you down. We'll take a look at the traffic flow map in just a second. Let's take a look outside. 72 degrees in Smithfield, plenty of cloud cover. But again, the August sunshine is going to burn through that cloud cover as we head towards noon and early afternoon. Cloudy skies over Carter-Finley Stadium. Not seeing any drops in the camera lens yet, but those showers are heading up towards that part of Wake County as well. Very, very light showers, but still some wet spots and maybe a couple puddles on the roads. Low 70s for temperatures all around the Triangle. There is not much variation spot to spot. Pretty much everybody between 68 and 72. Grays Creek, you're the warm spot, starting off at 75 degrees this morning. Our dog of the day is Chotu. That means small in Hindi, so thank you to Jim, Chotu's human, for a little bit of education in that regard and for a cute picture of the dog as well. Get out for a walk by late morning. That's where we're going to see the coolest temperatures and the lowest rain chances. It's going to be in that low category through early afternoon, but we start heating up and it becomes pretty uncomfortable with the amount of humidity in the air. And then we hit the mid-80s for highs before that best chance of scattered storms develops. Lower storm chances on the way for tomorrow, but that means hotter temperatures. We go from the mid-80s today back into the 90s, and that's where we're going to stay throughout the rest of the 7-day forecast, even mid-90s on Friday with our lowest storm chance overall. But really, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, even much of Sunday, looking pretty dry. We'll bump it up to a 30% storm chance on Sunday, and we'll just keep you updated on that as we get a little bit closer to the weekend. But it's just Monday morning, don't we know it? 6:21.